So, hi everyone. If you are someone who has just finished their school life and is planning to go to college in this or upcoming year, this video is for you because one thing I have to tell you because I've survived almost all of my college life, and one thing that it taught me is college is not only about studies, and it's college will teach you so many things you have never even thought of. Like you will just your mind will be blown. अभी तुमको ऐसा लग रहा होगा I'm over exaggerating, but once you reach that place, you will know. But one thing that you know for sure, one thing that I can guarantee you that you need to survive is to look good and to look confident. Otherwise, the people there will break you in so many ways that you can't even imagine. Like, I'm sorry, guys, my phone just got out of storage. So, yeah. So, I'll just tell you 5 to 6 steps that you need to have to if you're planning to live that it girly lifestyle in your college. So, first things first, your eyebrows and upper lips. Bhai Sahab, I don't know how to explain this to you. Like, if you don't like makeup or if you don't like to put many efforts in how you look or how your face looks, just get your eyebrows and upper lips done on a regular basis. Like, ऐसा भी नहीं कि आप हर हफ्ते eyebrows और upper lips करा रहे हो. I mean, you're not that free, right? But a fair amount of time के बाद you should get your eyebrows and upper lips done because it gives you much cleaner look. मतलब अगर तुमने अभी तक एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं किया है अपनी लाइफ के साथ, please go for once, make your eyebrows, upper lips, and see the vast difference in your face. Like, of course, you cannot compromise with it. It comes under personal grooming, and you should do that. So, moving towards the next thing, that is your personal hygiene or personal grooming, I may say. That is very important. Like, you cannot be a sloth or a moth there. I mean, what are you doing with your life? You're a grown-up girly now. You should know how to smell good, how to have that aura, have that confidence. So, first step in your routine should be you should bath daily. Once in a while, if you skip 1 or 2 days, it's okay. But overall, you should take a bath daily. And for taking bath, I would suggest use body washes like this. This is 1% salicylic acid daily exfoliating body wash, and I use it because it's if you have not researched about it very much, let me tell you, because of course I'm here to tell you कि using things that are fragrance free over your body are very good if you have some acne problems or marks problem or anything, because of course fragrance से आपकी skin पर ज़्यादा गंदा effect होता है over these things. But if you use things which does not have a fragrance, it's very good. Trust me, it is very good. You can ask your dermat or anyone you trust. So I use this body wash and my body has seen changes. You can go and research it according to your body type or body problem, right? After you have washed or done every personal hygiene thing during the shower, next thing is put a good moisturizer or a body butter, whatever you like, put it, please. Because your skin should not मतलब हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसा बड़ा है कि भाई गोरे गोरे लगो ये लगो भाई इससे कुछ नहीं. Your skin should look healthy, it should look glowy. Like भाई अगर तुम्हारे हाथ ऐसे खुरदुरे लग रहे हैं भाई, please, what is this? Just put a moisturizer and make it look healthier. Just like you feed your stomach, feed your skin. All right. And then afterwards, you need to have a good fragrance. You can either go to these expensive ones. If you I know everyone suggested you, oh, use YSL, use Dior, or use that. No, it's not always necessary. You can also go to the cheaper options like this one. I mean, I bought it for sale. I bought it when it was on sale, and it smells divine. Okay, as much as this smells good, this also smells good. As ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत फर्क आता है, but smelling like a pig is better than smelling like a fruit, right? So buy a good perfume or body mist or anything that you like, but put it on and then go to your lectures. So next step in your personal hygiene, मतलब ये पहले होना चाहिए फॉर शार में, बट ये बहुत लोग मैंने अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ में देखा है, बहुत लोग इसे स्किप करते हैं. That is washing your hair. If you want to look presentable, please wash your hair regularly. I mean, don't wash it daily, of course, you will spoil your scalp or something, but please wash your hair on a regular basis. Having dandruff or something is quite natural. It is a very normal phenomena. If you're like insecure about it, forget it. Everyone or another person in your surroundings might have it, but what you can do is wash your hair, or you know what I mean, right? Please wash your hairs and please smell good. ये दो चीजें भाई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. मतलब तुम कुछ नहीं कर भी रहे हो, बट अगर तुम अपनी आईब्रोज बना के रखी है, तुम रोज अच्छे से नहाते धोते हो, सर धोते हो, and you smell good. I mean, what else do you need to be that it girl? मतलब सबके माइंड में इतना गलत कंसेप्शन बना हुआ है it girl का. It is not very difficult to be the it girl, because how I am saying is, in my first year of college, I got so many compliments. Touch wood. I never thought that I would, but why I am making this video, because I'm confident that yeah, if I have done this, and people admired me. Touch wood. I don't know how, but yeah, people admired me very much. Some of my seniors, some of my friends, they used to admire me and everything. Hi, वैसे तो मेरा college में first year का look बहुत ही अलग था. I can't even imagine, but someday I'll share it. Yeah, so that's why I feel I'm eligible to tell you how to be that confident girl in your college. Yeah. So moving on towards the next step, that is your clothes. You might all be wondering कि clothes पर कब आएंगी आ गई भाई. So clothes के लिए भी सबसे पहली चीज तो जो मैं बताना चाहूंगी, that is don't copy others. That is one thing I've never done my whole life, and I would never suggest anyone to do that. Don't copy others. Be confident in your own style. Create your own style. Wear whatever you like. देखो, if you will do something good, people will criticize you. If you will do something bad, people will then also criticize you. Why not get criticized by being happy? I mean, by being what you like, you know what I mean? So I thought was like, in this मैंने बताया, I used to get admired a lot. There were some people who used to be like, oh my god, why is she like wearing these good stuffs all of the times? I mean, होता है सबका. Even few of my friends, even female friends, were like, मतलब मुझे वो पता लगता है what they think, right? मतलब they had problem because I used to wear good clothes every day. Good in the sense, wear presentable clothes, look good, smell good, and I love makeup. I used to do a little bit of makeup also. They were like, "Hi, you're just coming to lectures, or you're just coming to mess. मतलब wear your PJs or something." I like PJs. I also wear PJs. मैंने कितनी बार हॉस्टल में PJ पहना होगा, PJ पहना होगा, pajamas and stuff पहना होगा. But there are days जब मुझे अच्छे लगना पसंद है. तो just the key is, but मुझे उससे कभी इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ. And मतलब I was very happy in my college life because all I had in my mind was get out. I mean, it's my life, my rules. Because मुझे ये तो definitely पता है कि मैं अच्छे कपड़े पहन के अच्छा सा मेकअप करके लग अच्छी रही हूँ ना, तो I will always love getting hit while looking so good rather than getting hit while looking bad. You know what I mean? Of course, because hate तो दोनों तरफ ही मिलनी है. So yeah, sorry, coming back to the point, clothes. Clothes में सबसे पहला point, create your own style, don't get influenced, because 75,000 लोग 75,000 चीजें करते हैं दुनिया में. You cannot do all right. Do your own thing. Second thing, you don't have to spend much. Just buy 3 or 2 good pair of jeans or bottoms. If you like to wear pants, go with them. If you like to wear jeans, go with them. And even if you like to wear PJs, go with them. But they should be very apt on your fitting. Like unka fitting should be so divine. I mean, don't wear किसी और का size, or don't wear something that has off cuttings, or it is bulging out your belly or anything. You know what I mean? They should be very nice on the fitting aspect, because bottoms में सबसे ज्यादा fitting matter करती है. जितना अच्छा आपका fitting होगा, आपकी body उतना ही comfortable and presentable feel करेगी. So that is one thing. The thing about bottoms is you don't have to have many. If you have and if you can afford it, then that's well and good. Even if you cannot afford it, you can just use them अदल बदल के. You can use them अदल बदल के. That's fine, because bottoms में इतना कोई ऐसा खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And for the top thing, buy basic tops if you cannot like afford, or if you don't want to go on spending a lot of money. 2-3 basic styles होते हैं जो मार्केट में हमेशा forever green रहते हैं, right? जैसे tank tops हो गए, या turtle necks हो गए, या swimsuit kind of tops हो गए. I don't know what to call them, and that's totally okay. Neutral or basic colors. Choose colors of your own tone. As in पहले मुझ में बहुत black पहनती थी, but then suddenly I realized कि मेरे tone पर white ज्यादा better लगता है. तो I switched to that, and of course I looked better. So आपके पास definitely इतने colors के tops होंगे कि आप एक दो change करके देख सको, और आप ये decide कर पाओ कि आप किस family से belong करते हो. So if you look more good in the darker family, buy them. If you look good in the lighter family, buy them. Buy at least 4 to 5, because of course, a week में आप 4 to 5 बार exchange करके पहनोगे तो it will look good. ठीक है? Yeah. So that is the thing. And if you want any suggestions or options, I can make a separate video on minimalist basic outfits वाला thingy. So yeah, that is very. I literally used like a separate column for this thing. Use sunscreens. I'm currently using this Aqualogica sunscreen, and it is like very good. It really gives me that dewy look, and it does not take a hell lot of time to blend. तो ऐसा जो भी sunscreen आपको मिलता है, आपको लगता है it will be useful, use it. Because college तुम्हारा career बनाए ना बनाए, college तुमको कुछ दे ना दे, तुम्हारा skin color जरूर change कर देगा. अगर तुम्हारा college में भी ऐसा अलग अलग wings में जाने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा space हुआ ना, मतलब अगर बड़ा college है, university or anything like that, बड़ा in the sense area में बड़ा, तो भाई साहब मेरा स्किन कलर भाई कितना डाउन हुआ है कॉलेज में जाके. एंड देन आई रियलाइज मुझे स्टार्टिंग से ही सनस्क्रीन्स बहुत ऐसा सोलफुली यूज करना चाहिए था, बट मैंने नहीं किया. तो मेरी जो गलती की वो तुम मत करो, तुम कोई और नई गलती करना, बट सनस्क्रीन यूज कर लेना. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू लुक दैट यू जस्ट केम फ्रॉम बाली का ट्रिप, few bonus points that I would like to give you, that if you are someone, if you are a girlie who suffers or who has the bad odor problem, wait, I'm here. Why do I overreact so much? So if you have that bad odor wala problem, this patty right here, oh my god, where are the sex? This patty right here will help you. जरूरी नहीं है यू यूज द डर्माकोस का ही, मतलब आई पर्सनली ट्रस्ट डर्माको अ लिटिल मोर, बिकॉज मैंने उसका एक ही चीज यूज किया था जो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा वर्क किया, तो इसलिए मैंने नेक्स्ट चीजें भी डर्माको से मंगाई. सो दिस इज 7% ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड हाइड्रेटिंग टोनर. This is toner, but you can just use glycolic acid serum or anything which has a good amount of glycolic acid, and you just put it over your cotton and apply it. Or if you don't want to put cotton, just apply it as it is in your underarms, and tada, you will not smell. But if you're someone who smells very bad or have a very bad sweat odor, then थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा टू गेट थिंग्स बेटर, बट हाँ धीरे धीरे इट विल रिड्यूस, कम होगा एंड इवेंचुअली इट विल फेड. सो ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड इफ यू हैव अ बैड odor. एंड इफ यू आर समवन हु लाइक्स टू वेयर मेकअप, one thing is do the minimalist yet loud makeup. Like अगर आप कॉलेज जा रहे हो तो आप थोड़ा minimalist makeup रखो, don't put on red lipstick. I mean you can put it sometimes, it's totally your choice again, but on daily basis use nude lipsticks according to your shade. As in when I went college, I did my research and I don't know, I stumbled upon this one particular lipstick, and since then I have been using this, and it's this Maybelline का 24 hour stay वाला lipstick, and this is my perfect shade. I mean that's how it. I still have 2 bottles of this lipstick. I mean for I just sometimes ऐसा सोच रही हूँ भाई दुनिया से कुछ हो जाए, बस ऐसा होता है ना, लिपस्टिक्स गायब हो जाती हैं, वो बनाना छोड़ देते हैं, बस ये वाली बनाना ना छोड़े. और I would not suggest you to buy this because it's my shade. अगर आपका ऐसा मेरे जैसा स्किन टोन है तो go for it. अगर नहीं है तो search and find your perfect match. Yeah. On affordable sites, you can use a good lip oil or a lip balm. These lip oil or lip balm affordable brands में से मैं आप लोगों को बोलूंगी Swiss Beauty is very good when it comes to lip products. I have used their many lip products and trust me, I mean wow. This I have started using recently. Yeah. I can't apply it because of course. And it smells exactly like that coffee wala toffee we used to eat in bachpan. And this is finished, as you can see. I will repurchase it, but filhal I'm using this, so I'm not repurchasing it. So either have a good lip oil or have a good lip balm. Have a good moisturizer. If you want to try and test what moisturizer suits you or what not, either go to your dermat or use minis. Currently I'm trying this mini because last time my dermat suggested me not to use Cetaphil products on my skin. Of course Cetaphil is a very very good brand, but of course one thing you need to know, that you are you, and something that's good for someone else can not be good for you. But हाँ मेरी mom को बहुत अच्छा suit करता है Cetaphil, so I'm trying to use it once again. And yes, coming to the hair wash wala thingy, I told you, try to use shampoos which are sulfate free. अब उसके बारे में तुम रिसर्च खुद कर लेना after this video. Ask ChatGPT or Google. This is Pilgrim anti hair fall with biotin, sulfate and paraben free, and of course it's very good for your scalp का health. So अगर तुम्हें ये नहीं use करना, there is one more brand you can go with that. I think O3, I don't know, I'll tell some other day about that. My mother uses it. Yeah. Just a tip point, this is a very good affordable eyeliner. I mean never ever go with any other eyeliner if you are trying to buy it under this price range. It is heaven on earth, trust me. So I think I have summed up all the points, and the last thing that I want to say is don't lose your confidence. Be confident. And if you were someone in school life where you have always been bullied, or you were like that introvert kind of person, forget it. Start a new life. कॉलेज में जाओ, ऐसे कॉलेज में जाओ जहाँ किसी को ना पता हो कि भाई you were that, and build your confidence. build your new character. Because और अगर तुमने ये सारा कुछ कर भी लिया and yet you are not confident about you, about how you look, about how you speak, and overall how your personality is, you are again zero. This all won't help until and unless you have confidence. And if you have confidence, I think इसमें से अगर तुम एक आधी चीज skip भी कर दोगे ना, it didn't matter. It doesn't matter. So confidence is the key. And please don't fall for bad friends or bad companies. I never did in my college life, of course, because मैंने अपनी सारी गलतियां स्कूल लाइफ में कर ली थी, तो my college life was a safe place. So that was pretty much all that you need to look good and be confident in your new life or in your going college life, because it's better late than never. Bye.